In this Dr.Fone System Repair iOS review, we'll walk you through everything you need to know: features, pricing, pros and cons, how it works, and the best alternative. Part 1. What is Dr.Fone System Repair iOS? Dr.Fone System Repair iOS is a powerful tool for fixing over 150 iOS issues, from boot loops to errors, without needing iTunes or jailbreak. It can downgrade or upgrade iOS, reset devices, enter or exit recovery or DFU mode, and often preserves data. Part 2. Is Dr.Fone System Repair iOS free? Dr.Fone System Repair iOS can be downloaded for free, allowing recovery mode, DFU, exit, and device diagnostics. Full repair features require a paid license, with the same pricing for Windows and Mac versions. Part 3. What are the pros and cons of Dr.Fone System Repair iOS? Dr.Fone System Repair iOS is user-friendly, fixes many iOS issues, offers a no data loss mode, supports new iPhones and both Windows or Mac. However, the free version is limited. Advanced repair can erase data, some repairs may fail, downloads can be slow, and it's relatively expensive. Part 4. How does Dr.Fone System Repair iOS work? Here are the detailed steps for performing system repair using Dr.Fone System Repair iOS. Step 1. Start by launching Wondershare Dr.Fone after downloading and installing the tool on your computer. Navigate to the Toolbox section in the top left corner of the screen. From the home screen, select System Repair from the list of available options. Step 2. Once you connect your iOS device via cable, you'll be redirected to a new window where you'll need to select the type of device. Since you're performing an iOS system repair, choose iPhone in the newly opened window. Step 3. The next window presents a set of options for repairing your iOS system. Select iOS Repair to proceed with fixing your device's system. Step 4. Now, you'll be prompted to choose the repair mode. Select Standard Repair from the two available options if you want to retain your data during the process. Step 5. The next step requires you to put your iOS device into recovery mode. Follow the on-screen instructions to easily do so. Once your device is in recovery mode, click Enter Recovery Mode to continue. Step 6. After your device is in recovery mode, the tool will automatically detect the compatible iOS firmware for your device. Click Download next to the firmware version you wish to install. The platform will begin downloading the selected iOS firmware. Once the download is complete, it will be verified by the system before being ready for installation on your device. Step 7. Click Repair Now to start the repair process. The progress bar will show the status of the process. Wait until it completes, and ensure your device remains connected to the computer throughout. Step 8. Once the repair is finished, the platform will display a confirmation screen. Click Done to conclude the process, and your iOS device will be ready for use. Part 5. The best alternative to Dr.Fone System Repair iOS. For a more affordable and stable alternative to Dr.Fone, iOS System Recovery offers similar features. It fixes many iOS issues, supports Windows and Mac, provides standard no data loss and advanced modes, allows iOS upgrades or downgrades, and works with the latest iPhones and iOS versions.